You might be wondering what this is right here. That is right, everybody. This is a lift cover pull station. So in our previous videos, I've taught you about this kind of pull station, as well as the difference between smoke alarms and fire alarm systems. If you haven't checked that out, please do so by checking it out. It would really help a lot. Anyways, now how do you actually activate an alarm if there's a stopper or no stopper? Well, let me show you the difference between a stopper pull station and a no stopper pull station. Yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and go to a no stopper pull station first. So a pull station without a stopper is basically just a pull station with no stopper protecting it at all. This can be a problem though, because there is false alarms often, which often penetrate into real emergencies, which can be very disastrous. So if there were to be a stopper, then obviously this would prevent false alarms, and that would be great. However, there is no need sometimes. Now, how to pull it? You just simply pull down this T-bar, and then fire strobes are going to activate. For example, now how to reset the pull station? You just put the key in. Usually there's a keyhole right here, and then boom, just like that, the pull station has been reset. Now, although this system is made out of paper, so don't you even worry about it. I'll be right back. Now, to reset the system, you have to press the silence button first, and then you press the reset button. Now, what other kinds of emergency notifications can be activated, and what is the supervisory for? Well, supervisory is for special kinds of emergencies called gas leaks, or possibly an attack, or even unauthorized exits or entrances. This is for general emergencies, like special types of emergencies other than fire emergencies. So, let's show you another notification appliance. Same as how you pull an iconic red fire pull station, it'll notify the fire department and it'll address an emergency situation. This will come into handy for intruder incidents as well. If you somewhat pull a Blue Point police pull station, then obviously it'll notify the police of a possible incident. Now, don't worry, this is not a real system, so you won't have to worry about it, because this is just made out of paper, so don't worry about it. Anyways, it's a double action pull station that can sometimes a single action pull station as well. Yeah, this is almost as the same as a fire alarm pull station. However, it's from Blue Point Alert Solutions, but this one is made out of paper, so don't worry about it. So the second you pull the alarm, the blue strobe will activate. Now, how to reset it? Usually you would have a keyhole in this kind of pull station. So you do this, and boom, the pull station is officially reset. Now, in order to reset the system, just in case the alarm is actually a horn strobe, you have to press the silent button, then you press the reset button. Yup. And last but not least that is right, everybody. I actually have made even a smoke detector out of paper. And how it works is by whenever you spray a can of smoke, then it'll release fake smoke and it'll test the detector, and the detector will flash this red light and it'll stay on, steadily on, and that'll trigger all the strobes. But anyways, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoy, and if you did, make sure you hit a like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon for notifications, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.